So you have the Amazfit GTS 4 mini smartwatch. You have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know that it's on. Maybe you can feel it vibrate and whatnot. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and force it to restart. Okay, now take note that this one is currently fixed, but let's pretend I have a black screen here. Okay, so you have a black screen. What you want to do is press and hold this side button. Press and hold and do not let go until you see the Amazfit logo appear. Okay, so we'll do it together. We'll pretend my watch here is black. Here's the button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Do not let go until we see the Amazfit logo appear. Pretend my watch is totally black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding on to this button here, waiting for the Amazfit logo to appear. It just vibrated. Amazfit logo is there. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up, and hopefully you are now out of the black screen. Now, if you still have a black screen, another thing that you can do is this. Now, hopefully your watch is still connected to your phone. So what you can do is just go ahead and open up your Zep app. So we're going to open up the Zep app. And then what we're going to do is up here under my devices, I can see my GTS 4 mini right here. And I see the battery percentage, 48%. So I know it's connected. Okay, so let me go ahead and tap on that. And what you can try to also do is change your watch face. Okay, so go ahead and go to watch faces. And then go ahead and choose another watch face. Okay, so for example, I'll go with this one here. Let me just tap on that. I'll tap on sync, and it's starting to download, and this may help your black screen as well. So just wait for it to download. Let it sync, and then give it 1 second and see if your the clock face shows up on your watch. Okay, now it's enabling, so just give it 1 second here. Oh, okay, there it is. And you can see that that new watch face is here. So hopefully your watch is now back up and running, okay? And then from here, you can go ahead and go back and change it to the clock face that you wish to have, the one that you had previously, okay? Now the thing is, if you still have a black screen, then go ahead and start off with the first method again, number 1, and then try number 2. If it doesn't work, try it again. Try the watch first. Press and hold that button till the Amazfit app, Amazfit logo appears, and let go. If it doesn't work, go ahead and try the watch face. Okay, you may have to try it like up to like maybe at least 5 times. Okay, anyway, if this worked for you, please comment below which step worked for you. Okay, good luck guys, bye.